Welcome back to Education Time Capsule. Today, we're traveling back to one of the most financially challenging decades in modern American history. During the 1970s gas crisis, soaring fuel prices, inflation, and economic uncertainty forced millions of families to rethink how they shopped and cooked. Every grocery trip mattered, leftovers were treasured, and stretching a single dollar became an essential household skill. Instead of relying on expensive cuts of meat or convenience foods, home cooks returned to simple, filling meals made from pantry staples, garden vegetables, dried beans, potatoes, pasta, and rice. These recipes weren't created to be trendy, they were born out of necessity. Surprisingly, many of these budget-friendly dishes remain just as practical today, especially as food prices continue to rise. Let's begin with 8 inexpensive meals that helped American families survive the 1970s and can still help save money today. 1. Bean and cornbread supper. Dried beans became one of the most dependable foods of the decade. Pinto beans, navy beans, and Great Northern beans could be purchased cheaply in large bags and stored for months without spoiling. Families simmered the beans slowly with onions, garlic, and simple seasonings, occasionally adding a small piece of smoked ham or bacon if it fit the budget. Freshly baked cornbread completed the meal, providing a hearty combination that filled hungry stomachs without costing much. Rich in protein, fiber, and complex carbohydrates, bean suppers could feed an entire family for only a few dollars. Even today, this humble meal remains one of the most affordable ways to prepare a satisfying dinner. 2. Creamed chipped beef on toast. Often nicknamed SOS by military veterans, creamed chipped beef became a household favorite during difficult financial times. Thin slices of dried beef were stirred into a creamy white sauce made from butter, flour, and milk before being spooned generously over toasted bread. Only a small amount of meat was needed because the rich sauce stretched the serving considerably. The meal came together quickly using ingredients many households already kept in their kitchens. Its simplicity, affordability, and comforting flavor made it a reliable weeknight dinner throughout the decade. 3. Potato soup. Potatoes were among the least expensive foods available during the gas crisis. Combined with onions, celery, milk, and a few seasonings, they transformed into a warm, creamy soup capable of feeding several people. Some cooks blended the soup until smooth, while others preferred leaving chunks of potato for extra texture. Leftover vegetables, bits of cheese, or small amounts of bacon were often added to prevent food waste. Served alongside homemade bread or crackers, potato soup proved that inexpensive ingredients could produce a comforting meal that lasted for multiple servings. 4. Tuna noodle. Casserole. Tuna became one of America's favorite affordable protein sources throughout the 1970s, mixed with egg noodles, cream of mushroom soup, frozen peas, and topped with crushed crackers or breadcrumbs. Tuna noodle casserole became a dependable family dinner. The casserole could easily feed 6 or more people while using only 1 or 2 inexpensive cans of tuna. Many families prepared 2 pans at once, freezing one for another busy evening. Its convenience and low cost helped make it a staple in countless American kitchens. 5. Fried bologna sandwiches. When fresh lunch meat became expensive, many households turned to bologna. A few slices fried in a skillet developed crispy edges and a richer flavor. Served on toasted bread with mustard, onions, cheese, or pickles, fried bologna sandwiches became a quick and satisfying dinner. Paired with potato chips, canned soup, or homemade coleslaw, the meal required very little preparation while staying within even the tightest grocery budget. Many Americans still remember this simple sandwich as a nostalgic taste of childhood. 6. Cabbage and noodles. Cabbage offered tremendous value because one inexpensive head could provide several meals. Home cooks sauteed shredded cabbage with onions and butter before tossing it with egg noodles, seasoned simply with salt and black pepper. Some families added tiny amounts of bacon, kielbasa, or leftover ham for additional flavor, but the meal remained delicious even without meat. This humble dish reflected the influence of Eastern European cooking traditions while proving that vegetables could become the centerpiece of an economical dinner. 7. Macaroni with tomato. Long before gourmet pasta dishes became popular, macaroni with tomatoes served as an everyday comfort food. Elbow macaroni, combined with canned tomatoes, onions, garlic, and basic herbs created a filling meal requiring very few ingredients. Some cooks sprinkled grated cheese over the top, while others mixed in leftover vegetables or beans to increase nutrition. Without increasing cost, its bright tomato flavor, easy preparation, and low price made it one of the decade's most dependable budget meals. 8. Rice and gravy with vegetables became an essential pantry staple for families trying to stretch every grocery dollar. Simple homemade gravy, prepared from broth, flour, and drippings, transformed plain rice into a flavorful main course. Side vegetables like green beans, carrots, peas, or corn completed the meal. Whenever leftover roast chicken or beef was available, even tiny portions could be chopped into the rice to provide extra flavor without requiring additional meat purchases. The meal demonstrated an important lesson many families learned during the 1970s. Careful cooking techniques often mattered more than expensive ingredients. These first 8 meals remind us that financial hardship often inspires remarkable creativity in the kitchen. By relying on affordable staples, minimizing waste, and making every ingredient count, American families found practical ways to stay well-fed during one of the nation's toughest economic periods. In Part 2, we'll continue exploring even more inexpensive meals from the 1970s gas crisis that remain surprisingly useful for saving money in today's world. Welcome back to Education Time Capsule. During the 1970s gas crisis, grocery prices climbed alongside fuel costs, forcing families to become masters of resourcefulness. Homemakers carefully planned every meal, stretched leftovers into entirely new dishes, and relied on inexpensive pantry staples that could feed large families without breaking the budget. Many of these practical recipes have faded from everyday kitchens, yet they remain just as useful today for anyone looking to cut grocery expenses. Let's continue with 8 more budget-friendly meals that helped Americans weather the economic challenges of the 1970s. Red beans and rice. Inspired by Southern cooking traditions, red beans and rice became a dependable meal because dried beans and rice were among the least expensive foods available. Families simmered red beans for hours with onions, celery, garlic, and simple spices until creamy and flavorful. If money allowed, a small pie of smoked sausage or ham bone was added, but even without meat, the dish remained filling and nutritious. One large pot often provided enough food for several meals, making it a favorite among budget-conscious households. 10. Egg salad sandwiches. Eggs remained one of the most affordable sources of high-quality protein throughout much of the decade. Hard-boiled eggs were chopped and mixed with mayonnaise, mustard, salt, pepper, and sometimes celery or sweet pickle relish. Spread between slices of bread, the mixture created a satisfying lunch or light dinner. Served alongside soup or fresh vegetables, egg salad offered a complete meal at very little cost. 11. Baked potatoes with simple toppings. Large bacon potatoes were inexpensive, filling, and incredibly versatile. Families baked them until fluffy before topping them with butter, shredded cheese, sour cream, leftover chili, baked beans, or steamed vegetables. Whatever leftovers happened to be available could become a hearty potato topping. This meal required little preparation while making excellent use of ingredients already in the refrigerator. 12. Vegetable barley soup. Barley was inexpensive, nutritious, and expanded considerably during cooking. Combined with carrots, onions, celery, cabbage, tomatoes, and broth, it created a thick soup capable of feeding an entire family. Leftover vegetables were commonly added to reduce food waste. Many households baked fresh bread to serve alongside the soup, creating an economical dinner that was both comforting and nutritious. 13. Salmon patty. Skinned salmon became an affordable alternative to fresh fish. Mixed with breadcrumbs, eggs, onions, and simple seasonings, The mixture was shaped into patties and fried until golden brown. Mashed potatoes or peas often completed the meal. Because canned salmon contained edible soft bones rich in calcium, the patties were both economical and nutritious. 14. Homemade pancakes for dinner. Breakfast for dinner became increasingly common as families searched for inexpensive meals. Homemade pancakes required only flour, eggs, milk, baking powder, and a little sugar. Served with syrup, fruit preserves, peanut butter, or applesauce, they provided a filling supper that children especially enjoyed. Some families even added sliced bananas or leftover fruit to make the meal more substantial. 15. Spaghetti with simple tomato sauce. Pasta remained one of the greatest bargains in the grocery store. Homemade tomato sauce using canned tomatoes, onions, garlic, and dried herbs could be prepared for just a few dollars. A small amount of ground beef might be added if affordable, but many families skipped the meat altogether. Served with Omamati garlic bread, spaghetti became one of the decade's favorite low-cost dinners. 16. Peanut butter and banana sandwiches for evenings when money or time was highly limited. Peanut butter and banana sandwiches offered an inexpensive yet surprisingly nutritious meal. The protein from peanut butter combined with the natural sweetness of bananas created a filling sandwich that required no cooking. Paired with a glass of milk or fresh fruit, it became a quick dinner for busy families. These 8 meals highlight how creativity often outweighed expensive ingredients during the gas crisis. Families discovered that careful planning, simple recipes, and pantry staples could provide nourishing meals without straining the household budget. In Part 3, we'll explore the final collection of inexpensive meals from the 1970s that continue to inspire smart, economical cooking today. Welcome back to Education Time Capsule. Throughout the 1970s, Americans learned valuable lessons about resilience in the kitchen. Rising fuel prices, inflation, and uncertain economic conditions encouraged families to cook from scratch, waste very little, and appreciate simple ingredients. Many of these forgotten meals remain excellent examples of how delicious food doesn't have to be expensive. Let's finish our journey with the final 9 budget-friendly meals that helped families survive one of America's toughest economic decades. 17. Lentil soup. Lentils cooked quickly compared to other dried beans while providing plenty of protein and fiber. Combined with carrots, onions, celery, tomatoes, and herbs, lentil soup became an inexpensive meal that could feed several people. Homemade bread made the meal even more filling. Its low cost and nutritional value keep it popular even today. 18. Cornmeal mush. Cornmeal mush had been enjoyed for generations before the 1970s. Cooked into a thick porridge and allowed to cool, it was sliced and fried until crisp on the outside. Served with siru pea for breakfast or alongside vegetables for dinner, it stretched inexpensive cornmeal into multiple meals. Families appreciated both its versatility and affordability. 19. Cabbage soup. A single head of cabbage could feed an entire family. Cooked with onions, carrots, celery, tomatoes, and potatoes, cabbage soup became one of the most economical dishes of the decade. Every family had its own version department. Ending on what ingredients were available, the soup often tasted even better the following day. 20. Chicken and rice casserole. Rather than serving expensive chicken portions individually, cooks stretched one small chicken by combining diced meat with rice, vegetables, and creamy sauce, baked together in one casserole dish. The meal fed far more people than roasted chicken alone could have. It became a favorite for our families trying to maximize every grocery purchase. 21. Homemade biscuits with gravy. Flour remained inexpensive throughout much of the decade. Fresh biscuits paired with creamy sausage gravy or simple milk gravy when sausage wasn't affordable created a filling dinner using pantry staples. The meal required little equipment and satisfied large families for very little money. 22. Stuffed bell peppers. Bell peppers were filled with rice, onions, tomatoes, brie, crumbs, and occasionally small amounts of ground beef. Rice acted as an inexpensive filler, allowing cooks to use very little meat while still producing hearty servings. These colorful peppers looked impressive despite costing relatively little. 23. Potato pancakes. Leftover mashed potatoes were never wasted. Mixed with flour, eggs, and onions before being pan-fried until crispy, potato pancakes transformed leftovers into an entirely new meal. Applesauce or sour cream often accompanied them. This clever recipe demonstrated the importance of minimizing food waste. 24. Navy beans soup. Navy beans were inexpensive, nutritious, and stored well for months. Slow cooked with onions, carrots, celery, and leftover ham bones, they produced a rich soup capable of feeding an entire family for several days. Few meals offered more value for such a modest cost. 25. Leftover hash. Perhaps no meal better represent ed 1972 thrift than homemade hash. Leftover potatoes, vegetables, bits of meat, and onions were chopped together and fried in a skillet until browned and crispy. Every batch tasted slightly different depending on what remained in the refrigerator. Nothing went to waste, and families enjoyed a hot, satisfying meal using ingredients that might otherwise have been discarded. As we've seen throughout this series, the meals that sustained Americans during the 1970s gas crisis weren't elaborate or expensive. They relied on planning, creativity, and respect for every ingredient. These dishes prove that good food doesn't require a large grocery budget, only thoughtful cooking and a willingness to make the most of what's available. Even decades later, these forgotten recipes continue to offer practical lessons for modern families facing rising food prices. Sometimes the smartest way to save money is simply to look back at how previous generations successfully navigated difficult times.